Hey guys, in this videos we're going to take a look at how you can get the grill, insect grill for your Toyota Prado 2020. So I went to the hardware store trying to get a grill. The insect guard, there isn't one available, and so I look online, and actually Toyota don't make one for the Land Cruiser Prado. So instead what you can do is buy a net like this one from Bunnings, from the hardware stores, and we're just going to cut it out and make it fit onto your car. So with the net you also can purchase this zip tie, and this with this zip tie we can tie the fly net onto your car. So we need to remove this plate here. So I'm just gonna, you can just put a screws in.
Rồi.
So in fact you need to press it down. If you press it down you can actually take it up like this, and that will come off. So you have to be careful when you open it, actually come off, so just have to be careful. Đây nè, cái gì rồi thấy chắc ha, cái lưới chứ nè. Okay, so after you have cut the net, you can put it on the inside and you can zip tie it. So zip tie it around here. You can see I zip tie it down here. There are bars across that you can basically put a zip tie on. So here you can see the net that I've put on. Now, so you can see that I've driven a few hundred kilometers already, and you can see there are insects has been trapped on the net. And yeah, just basically zip tie around here as well. Now there are some screws on the inside. You can also screw down at the top right here. They're quite straightforward. You just have to put a zip tie through. You can see it's even trap a lift right here. There are heaps of insects in here. Let me see if I can zoom in so you can see the insects or not. So right here there are insects inside as well. Okay, so I just turn on the flashlight so you can see. So you've got the fly and bugs and all the stuff. Now had we not have a net on, it would have gone right through to the radiators right here. So I'm just trying to get the focus on the net. You can see it has trap like mosquitoes, other bugs and insects all the way around here. So basically I just zip tied around the bar here. You can make your own, so if you can't find one available you can make your own. It's not that hard, straightforward. Just zip tied all around. And now there's also the one at the bottom here as well. Now again it's the same. This one here is a bit short. I didn't have enough, so that's why I left the hole here. You can see some bugs has escaped in, but there's nothing over here on this side, so that's alright. Here you can see there's bugs and poops from birds and other things. And you can see it's also trapping a lot of the insect when you do a long drive right here. So again I zip tied here, here, here and here. This one is coming in from the winds when we drive too fast, so it kind of blow in. That's why we need to zip tie it. You can see it's a bit loose right here. So you can see there's heaps of insects around here as well. Again, so this one here is a little bit short, but this is, you know, this is already got to cover the back. And up here at the front, you can see it's trapping a lot of insects right here. So you can zip tie this one. They're very strong. So even there, I forgot to put one here. I took the plate out and zip tied underneath there as well. You can see I zip tied down there. So if you haven't got an insect guard for your Prado, you can make your own, just a fly screen and then zip tie, and you can, yeah, put it around your car just like this, as you can see. And yeah, just make sure that you zip tie it quite secure. You got to make it secure, otherwise the net can flow into the fan and it cause a lot of headache. So make sure everything is nice and secure. And I have driven this one for 5 hours straight at 110 kilometers, and it's still pretty strong and secure, so it wouldn't be a problem. It won't go into your radiator if you make it nice and tight and secure. But yeah, just be careful that you put enough zip tie to make it tight. You don't want it to be loose. Make sure everything is strong and secure. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.